EyeCL is an innovative, purpose-built tool that I developed as part of the competition, designed to replace the need for manual searches or outdated tools. Its primary goal is to protect EyeCL's reputation in real time through advanced monitoring and the use of artificial intelligence. In my dashboard, I can see an alert panel divided into low risk, medium risk, and high risk. The tool also gives me the ability to generate a response. The response is created using a prompt that I wrote with OpenAI, which defines how the response should be formulated. By clicking the Draft Response button, I can view the response according to the rules I defined in the prompt. I can then copy this response into any Word document, edit it, and make changes as needed. In addition, there is a lower panel with a real-time monitor that shows, on an hourly basis, recent events through a visual view of mention frequency. For example, an article about the latest tender, an article that requires our response, or at least our awareness that it was published. It is important that we are among the first to see such content. The tool is fully driven by prompts. I can modify and edit them, decide whether I want to receive updates on local or global mentions, limit the monitoring to a specific time period, or request a report for the last quarter or even the past year. Anything I need can be requested at the prompt level, allowing me to define exactly how the system operates. This is essentially a platform that leverages artificial intelligence to bridge the time gap between identifying a reputational risk and creating a strategic response. The tool enables us to be proactive in protecting our brand and our company.